Hello there. Today, we will learn how to create a vendor. Let's go to the Supply Chain Management module. Click on Vendor. Enter the vendor's number. Vendor's name. In the Print As field, specify how you want the reports and other PDFs related to this vendor to be printed, so we can give the name there. Provide the contact person's name, phone number, purchase manager name. Terms refers to the number of days within which you will be paying the vendor. For example, I select net 30. Enter the shipping method, such as ship via. Set the credit limit for this vendor. Determine the return period in case of damaged products or other reasons. So here we can give the number of days. Click on Address. Provide the vendor's address. Click on Submit. Click on Preview to see the PDF and the vendor is created, and also the vendor is created as well. Now, you have complete details of the vendor in this PDF.